Okay, this is one of my favorite old games. 75 cents a spin. Got the 3 times 4 times 5 thing. So we're gonna give it a try. So here we go. No, not doing so well. No. That is 60 credits. We need a hit here. No. Well, this is very old school. There's no bonus rounds. You just get line hits, hopefully. And no. 45 credits left, so I don't think we won anything, have we? And we still haven't. So this one may be a very quick video, but it's going to be fun to play this. And the 7 never does anything except getting away. Only got 11 more spins, and we still can't hit anything. Nothing. 9 more spins. This may be a very quick video. It's definitely looking like a nothing instead of a double. Hey, we finally got some money back. That puts us back to $9. So we're a long ways from doubling up. No. Nine spins again. We're at the Cosmopolitan. I don't play here a lot, but they're much more camera friendly than most casinos, so if I'm gonna film myself playing something, I prefer not to get thrown out. Oh, anyone right here? No. 4 more spins. We may get this video in under 3 minutes. Let's win big. 3 times 4 times 5. That would pay us $7,500 or 7,500 quarters. So. And sadly, we are down to our last spin here, so I don't think we won anything. Oh, we did. And there we go. So that's how quick $20 can go in a slot machine in Las Vegas. But there you go. Hope you enjoyed watching it. As always, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.